Today, I'll be using Potato Foods American Skinless Hotdogs to make a Korean street food classic, Kimbap. Now, to make the Kimbap, we've got rice, we've got some of the ingredients that go inside the Kimbap, we've got some braised carrots, eggs, cucumber, seasoned burdock, and some pickled daikon. Of course, the outside, which is the seaweed sheets, sesame oil and sesame seeds, which go into the rice. And to feature in the Kimbap, Potato Foods American Style Hotdogs. All I got to do with these is just quarter them up and then pan fry them. So we'll be assembling the Kimbap now.